how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 4, sound of vowels E. Okay, let us start now this chapter. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. M-E-N, man. P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. And J-E-T, jet. Okay. Next, some words E-G add करना है. Example है L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. T-E-G, tag. K-E-G, keg. E-double-G, egg. And B-E-G, bag. Okay. Next है E-D add करना है. B-E-D, bat. L-E-D, led. R-E-D, red. F-E-D, fed. And W-E-D, bed. And S-H-E-D, shed. Next है E-N. E-N से word बना H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, dan. T-E-N, tan. P-E-N, pan. M-E-N, man. And K-E-N, can. Next है E-T. Example P-A-T, pet. G-E-T, get. J-E-T, jet. W-E-T, wet. N-E-T, net. And L-E-T, let. Okay. Next है E-S-T. Example है N-E-S-T, nest. R-E-S-T, rest. B-E-S-T, best. And C-H-E-S-T, chest. W-E-S-T, west. And T-E-S-T, test. Okay. Then kids, this chapter sounds E is completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.